Welcome to Fitness 116 Body Conditioning. I am your instructor, Chris Waters. If you need to reach me during the course, please email me at watersc@smccd.edu. I'll be sure to respond to all emails in a timely fashion. Fitness 116 is a course that will include instructional and personal fitness program development with an emphasis on stretching and flexibility methods, the design of individual strength programs, and the latest information on scientific application to develop aerobic fitness and wellness. Our course objectives are to create a balanced program of flexibility, muscular endurance, and cardiorespiratory fitness. Self-test limits for exercise that build muscular endurance. Demonstrate utilization of various strength development techniques both with and without equipment. Understand and demonstrate varied methods for increasing cardiorespiratory fitness, and to demonstrate the ability to complete instructor-designed and guided programs. We will be using the modules that are divided into 2-week units and can be found in our left-hand sidebar. Modules are organized to design and track fitness plans. Cardio fitness can be tracked using the Strava application. Weight training regimens can be tracked using our individual progress charts. We will have the opportunity to use the exercise library to design our own fitness program consisting of 4 types of exercises. The exercise library is complete with video instruction and demonstration. I'm looking forward to a great semester of Fitness 116 Body Conditioning. Thank you.